Hi friends everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Concept Clear. In today's class we'll discuss about multiplexing in the subject of computer networks. What is multiplexing? In multiplexing is nothing but it is a technique or a method to combine several input streams into single input streams. Okay, it is nothing but it will take several wires and combine as a single wire. Okay, that is called multiplexing. In this process, the input lines will be combined is known as a multiplexing. Here and here the output is a single stream. Okay, in multiplexing, multiplexer is a device. It will perform the adding operation. That multiplexer, in short name we will write MUX. What is the duty of the multiplexer is it combines the n input lines into to generate a single output line. Okay, here multiplexing follows many to one. Okay, here multiplexing follows many inputs to single output. Okay, n inputs lines and one output line. Okay, next what about demultiplexing? At here the multiplexing will be performed at the sender side, and sender side it receives the n number of input lines and combined as a single output line. That single output line will be traveled from sender to receiver. At the receiver side there is one more device that is called demultiplexer. The device called demultiplexer. That demultiplexer will be separates the combined signal into individual signals. Okay, it means one to many outputs. This can be performed at receiver side. Okay, demultiplexing performed at receiver side. Okay, see the diagram here. This is the multiplexing diagram. Here the sender side n inputs are taking and it is performing combined operation with multiplexer MUX, and that single input line the single output line is transferring from sender side to the receiver side. At the receiver side again, at the receiver side there is performing demultiplexing operation and it is generating n output lines. Okay, this is about the this is the diagram of the multiplexing as well as the demultiplexing. Okay, here the n input lines are transmitted through a multiplexing, and multiplexer combining those all the signal lines and forming as a composite signal, that is a single signal. And the composite signal is passed through the demultiplexer at the receiver side. The composite signal is passing to the demultiplexer, and the demultiplexer is separating all the signal line into number of output lines. Okay, this is about the demultiplexer. Now here multiplexing will be classified into several methods. The first one is the frequency division multiplexing, wavelength division multiplexing, and the time division multiplexing. Here the first two, frequency division multiplexing as well as the wave division multiplexing, are used for analog signals, and the time division multiplexing is used for digital signals. Okay, we will see one by one. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Concept Clear. In today's class, we will discuss about wavelength division multiplexing in the subject of computer networks. In previous class, we studied what is multiplexing, what is the types of the multiplexing. In the first type is frequency division multiplexing. What is the frequency division multiplexing means? It is mainly used in the analog signals. Okay, it is the wave division multiplexing is also same as frequency division multiplexing. It is also used in the analog signals only. Okay, what is wave division multiplexing means? Wave division multiplexing that combines several analog signals into a single analog signal. The wavelength division multiplexing used the fiber optical cables to increase the capacity of the single fiber, and it is used to utilize the high data rate capability of the fiber opticals. And what is the frequency division? Frequency division will be used for the low capacity of the frequencies, and it is also one of the analog multiplexing technique. Okay, here the optical signals from different sources are combined from a wider band of the light with the help of the multiplexing. And what is the demultiplexer? The receiver and the demultiplexer will be performs demultiplexing operation and separates them into respective destinations. And multiplexing demultiplexing can be achieved by the using a prism. Okay, here what is a prism means? Here a prism is a device that will be used as a multiplexer for combining as well as the demultiplexer for dividing them to respective signal. The prism is also perform the reverse operation, that means demultiplexer signals. Okay, see here, this is the prism. The prism is at the center side, it is receiving the three 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 frequencies and passing these three into through the multiplexing prism. And here prism is working as a multiplexer, and after that combining the fiber optical cables, the combined signals are lambda 1 plus lambda 2 plus lambda 3, and these signals are traveled from sender to receiver. At the receiver side there is one more prism that is performing demultiplexer. Here demultiplexer is nothing but one signal to many outputs. Okay, this is about the time division multiplexing diagram. Okay, here next one, sorry, that is the frequency division multiplexing. Next one is